Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rock Island, local and long distance movers near me. Normally, a move is called long distance when it's more than 100 miles, regardless of whether it is inside the same state. When you move to another place inside a city, it is alluded to as an intrastate move, while moving outside the state lines is an interstate move. We can relocate your belongings locally, statewide, and across state lines. We have a good working relationship with the state and federal authorities in charge of moving. We also have insurance plans in place to cover risk liabilities before and after your belongings are relocated because we care for our customers and their belongings. Our experienced movers and drivers are the most conscientious, and your belongings will be delivered in the same condition as they were before the move. You won't have to worry about being overcharged because all of our services are reasonably priced. Local movements are usually less expensive than long-distance moves and can be assured that ours will be no exception. Our rates are fair and affordable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. We'll give you good value for your money if you hire our licensed and diligent local movers. We're used to working in congested areas and get your belongings into your new home as quickly as possible without incident. Our professional team of local movers will assist you in making the best decisions possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rock Island moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.